The Bitcoin price is ready for the next leg to the upside. I have found here multiple charts that are pointing to that Bitcoin will move here in these next coming hours, potentially above $25,000, and will close above the 200 weekly moving average. If you think that is interesting, then definitely make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, like this video, and also activate the bell to never miss out on these important updates as I put them out. And now let's, without any further ado, directly dive here into the charts to show you what I'm seeing here. So let's start off with the 4-hourly chart and our big broadening wedge that the Bitcoin price is still respecting. So I want to start off with that Bitcoin has managed to create support above $24,400, which is a really significant level that the bulls had to defend, and now we can see that they have actually formed somewhat of support here, because we got a retest here of that support, then we broke it, then we came up again, and then we saw now 3 retests here, and then we started to trending up here again on the 4-hourly time frame. So we can also see that the price is now forming here somewhat of a symmetrical triangle. So you can also call that potentially a bull flag. So, and when we treat it as a symmetrical triangle, then we have again $26,200 as a target. And if you remember yesterday's episode, I had shown you that there is also a Fibonacci extension level exactly around that price. So again, we have a lot of confidence that Bitcoin might be going up there in the not so distant future, potentially even today. So you can see it already that there is nothing, literally nothing from here all the way up potentially here. So there you see there is a big liquidity gap in here, and that means if Bitcoin can close today's candle at the price that we are seeing right now at 24,760 respectively, if we can close the daily candle above that, I believe that we will see in the next couple of days a volatile move directly in direction of $29,000, which I had also pointed out yesterday. So when would be a good opportunity to long Bitcoin? So if we want to long Bitcoin, then we wait for today's daily close above this white line here, above $24,575 approximately. From there we can open a new long position with not too much leverage, guys. Be careful here. I would open with 5 to 10x, not more, and then we can target $29,600 as the next major resistance level for Bitcoin. Because when we go back here, actually it's a range. Let me get this range here. So there we have here a range of 28,980 all the way up to 29,675. That is kind of the take profit range that we should be targeting here to take profits off the table. I'm not saying you should close the whole position, but you should take significant profit all the way up here, because Bitcoin will struggle to break over $32,000. I expect from here a rejection back down at least to $24,500, where we have right now support, to confirm that as support, and then go most likely here in an up sideways move back, break this, and then continue into higher levels. So, but of course we can make money already on the way up here when we close today's candle above the white line where we are sitting at right now. So when we are moving then to the 1-hourly chart, also here we can see a bullish pattern. Here we have another triangle pattern that normally should break out in the next coming hours here to the upside. And also here we have a technical target. If we just measure it as the triangle, and let's say it breaks out here, then we have a technical target of 25,322, which would be slightly higher than our prior local high here, and would create another local high, higher high, which would be insanely bullish for the immediate short term for Bitcoin, especially if we can close the daily candle above that level. So, and we see Bitcoin is on the move here. So also here, if you want to enter the trade, wait until we break out above $24,850 on the 1 hourly chart, and then you can trade this to this target here, $25,300, and then you can reassess if you still want to continue to stay in the trade to the higher time frame target of $29,000. That is my game plan here. Yeah guys, let me show you my positions that I have open right now on BYBIT. They're absolutely on fire. You can see here the dot trade that I had mentioned 2 days ago is $7,500 in profit. My engine trade is in $500 in profit. My Ethereum Classic trade, $1,000 in profit. And my Unfire trade is $800 in profit. And I have already closed some positions today where I made over $1,000 in profit only today. So if you want to make profit and trades with me together, guys, then don't forget that you go here to the description of my video. You find here all the links to a BYBIT where you still get $30,000 absolutely for free if you sign up with my specific link, and on Bitget also $20,000 absolutely for free with this specific sign up link. And of course, you should also be part of my Telegram group. I have a free group and a paid group. In the free group from now and then, I also post trades that I'm personally taking, and we make a lot of money there together. And of course, in my Signals group, we are literally killing it right now with all the trades that we are putting out. Both links are also in the description and in the pinned comment below. So now let's have a quick look here again on Bitcoin, what's happening here. So yeah, Bitcoin is continuing to move here higher. Also, when we look on the 250 moving average, let me see, where is the 200? So we can see we are clearly supported here by the 50 on the way up here. We had a golden cross here 3 days ago, and that is of course supported by the price action here to the upside. So guys, let's wait how the this week close will pan out tonight, but I'm extremely bullish on what I'm seeing, because $25,000 is definitely on the table, and also $30,000 is not that far away for us. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.